Hello, families. I would like to introduce you to one of the resources that we're going to be using during center time for reading and math. This will help to enrich students' understanding of the curriculum that we'll be learning during whole group learning time. This is called Boom Cards, and it can be accessed through your child's Symbaloo account. When you get to Symbaloo and you click on the Boom Cards, this is the page that will pop up for logging in. Now, you will see your child's name. For now, I just have my name on here as a student account. So when you click on your child's name, it will ask to type in a password. The password will just be Puzo. And then click OK. Once you are logged in, the first page will be your assignments page. So down below, you'll see decks assigned. And these are the activities that I would like the students to complete. What they do is they click on the activity.
Read or listen to the statement and question. Read or listen to the answer choices. Choose the answer that answers the question, but most of all, have fun.
So as you can see, the directions are read to the students through this volume button. If you need it repeated at any time, you can always click it again. To play, students click the play button and it'll move them to the next slide. Then what they need to do is, if they would like it read to them, click this button or read the directions on their own. Josh gave Kate a little puppy for her birthday. Who gave the puppy away? Was it Josh, Kate, or a puppy? Again, you can click on each one of these buttons and it will read the answer choices aloud. So what do you think? What is the answer to this question? Is it a puppy? You can see that that was the incorrect answer. It said, whoops, and it wants you to try again. Is it Kate? No, that didn't work either. So it must be Josh. When you click on the correct answer, it'll move you to the next slide. Jake saw a penny on the floor yesterday. Where was the penny? On the floor, yesterday, or near the room? Now, if I go back to my sentence, I remember it saying that he found it on the floor. So I click on the floor. Now this will continue until you get to the end of your questions. And at the end, it will give you a score of how many you completed correctly. If you have any further questions on how to use Boom Cards, or have any questions on the specific activities that have been assigned to you, please feel free to ask Mrs. Puzo at any time.